Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making chicken shish kebabs. Let's get started. In a bowl, start off with your ground chicken. Make sure to remove excess moisture. Next, follow with your dried minced onions, green chilies, roasted coriander seeds, cumin powder, red chili flakes, kebab chini, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, garlic paste, ginger paste, salt, gram flour, cilantro, and combine thoroughly. Let's not forget about the last ingredient, lemon juice. Now, form your kebabs evenly. On medium heat, cook your kebabs on both sides for about 5 to 6 minutes. Pair these delicious kebabs with roasted veggies and tons of greens. Don't they look so good? Try this recipe out and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching and follow us for back-to-back recipes during the last few days of Ramadan. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Link is in the bio.